Hope you enjoyed that little unboxing. It was pretty fast. This is the FeiyuTech Vimble 2. So it's designed for mobile phones. Really awesome little gimbal, very lightweight. And the purpose of this video is to show you what you can do with I think they're running a promo at the moment, or if it's its normal price, it's $79, that's all it is. It's got this telescopic little handle to get some nice high shots or low shots to the ground, so you don't have to kind of battle and do that ninja walk. So this is what you can do with a $79 gimbal and probably the phone that's in your pocket. Check this out. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed that. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. All your support helps us do these little things. Little disclaimer, I am not paid by FeiyuTech to do this. I actually won this in a competition. So this is all mine. And I do have a few FeiyuTech gimbals because I do love the brand and I've bought quite a few from them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, and wherever you are in the world, have a good day, good evening, good night, goodbye.